What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. So it is a easy policy. Let me show you in the Messenger. So head over to your Messenger application, and once you're there, head over to the three lines icon on the top left corner and go to the settings icon and scroll down. And if you see that there is no such option of logging out in here, so if we want to log out, we have to go to our Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account of the same as your Messenger, and then tap on the three lines icon on the top right corner, and then just scroll down and go to settings and privacy drop down box. Go to settings icon, and here if you scroll down, you will find the activity log option under your activity section. And here, go to security and login information drop down box. Go to where you are logged in. And here you will find the places in which you are logged in. So all you have to do is tap on the three dots icon. And here you will find the logout layout. Just tap on logout and you will be logged out of your Messenger. So yeah, this is how you can log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.